Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit photos using Perplexity AI. This is a powerful tool that allows you to modify images simply by describing what changes you want, making photo editing accessible even if you're not familiar with traditional editing software. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready before starting this process. After logging in, you'll land on the main interface. Look toward the center of the page where you'll find the main chat input box. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your primary tool for interacting with Perplexity AI and giving it instructions. Next, you'll notice a plus icon near the chat input area. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Upload Files or Images. Now, here's something important to note. In order to use the image upload feature, you'll need to have an upgraded account. Since I'm using the free trial version, this feature is available, but if you're on a completely free plan, you may need to upgrade to access these capabilities. Once you've clicked on Upload Files or Images, a file browser window will open on your screen. Navigate through your folders to locate the image you want to edit, click on the photo you've chosen, and then click the Open button to upload it to Perplexity AI. Give it a moment to process and upload your image. Now comes the creative part. In the text field below your uploaded image, you'll need to type a descriptive prompt that clearly explains what changes you want made to your photo. For example, you could type something like, edit this photo : remove the person in the red shirt and replace the background with a beach. The more specific and detailed your instructions are, the better results you'll get from the AI. After you've typed your prompt, press enter on your keyboard or click the submit button to proceed. This sends your request to Perplexity AI to begin processing your image edit. Now, you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the AI generates your edited photo. The processing time can vary depending on the complexity of your request and the server load, so be patient during this step. You'll see some indication on the screen that your request is being processed. Once the AI has finished generating your edited image, it will appear on your screen. If you're happy with the result and want to save it to your device, simply click the download button. This will save the edited photo to your computer's default download folder. And there you have it. You've successfully used Perplexity AI to edit a photo using natural language prompts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.